Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found your way to my little corner of the internet. Today, we're diving into something that's been taking the beauty world by storm: chocolate hot cocoa makeup. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just a cozy drink for chilly days, it's now a full-on beauty trend that's making waves on social media. So grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's talk about this deliciously fun trend. First off, let's chat about what exactly chocolate hot cocoa makeup is. It's all about those warm, rich tones that remind you of a steaming cup of cocoa on a winter day. Think deep browns, soft caramels, and creamy beiges. It's like a warm hug for your face. The idea is to create a look that's not just visually appealing but also feels comforting and nostalgic. I mean, who doesn't love a good cup of hot chocolate, right? It's the ultimate winter treat, and now you can wear it on your face. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't this just another trend that's going to fade away? But hear me out. This look is surprisingly versatile. You can go for a full glam chocolate vibe, or you can keep it super natural and just add a hint of warmth to your everyday makeup. The key is to find what works for you. Whether you're heading to a holiday party or just running errands, this trend can be adapted to fit any occasion. Let's talk about the products you'll need to achieve this look. First up, foundation. You want something that gives you a nice, even base. I recommend a lightweight foundation or a tinted moisturizer for that fresh, dewy effect. Then, for the star of the show, you'll want to grab some warm-toned eyeshadow palettes. Look for shades that mimic chocolate, like rich browns, soft taupes, and maybe even a pop of gold or bronze to mimic those marshmallows floating on top. When it comes to blush, think about using a warm, caramel shade. It's all about that sun-kissed glow that makes you look like you've just come in from the cold. And don't forget highlighter. A soft, golden highlighter can really bring that cocoa glow to life, giving you that radiant finish that looks like you've just stepped away from a cozy fire. Now, for the lips, this is where you can really have fun. You can go for a deep chocolate brown lipstick for a bold look, or keep it light and sweet with a nude gloss that has a hint of shimmer. It's all about what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression, so don't be afraid to play around with different shades and textures. And here's a little tip for you. If you want to take this trend to the next level, consider adding some chocolate-scented products to your routine. There are so many brands out there that offer chocolate-scented lip balms, body scrubs, and even setting sprays. It's like a little treat for your senses every time you do your makeup. So, there you have it. Chocolate hot cocoa makeup is not just a trend, it's a celebration of warmth, comfort, and creativity. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, this look is all about having fun and embracing those cozy vibes. I can't wait to see how you all interpret this trend. Be sure to tag me in your looks, and let's spread the cocoa love together. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and trends. Until next time, stay cozy and keep shining.